Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class of biology on the fascinating world of biology. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic of human impact on the ecosystem. Let's start to lead the impact of a human on the ecosystem. Humans or Homo sapiens are a recently evolved species. We probably evolved somewhere in Africa and have spread across the rest of the world. In the last 10,000 years, originally, we would have lived as hunters and gatherers, killing animals and collecting food. Such as berries. In turn, we have been food for other animals. At this stage in our evolutions, there would have been very few of us, and our impact on ecosystem would have been very minor. We were a part of nature, not destroyers of it. In the last 200 years, the human population has increased dramatically and is continuing to grow. This surge in the human population has resulted in an increased demand for land, water, and resources such as wood and metal. This had a tremendous impact on the environment. Look at this picture. Overpopulation is cause of all destructions of environment like excessive use of water, petrol, wood, electricity, and other natural resources. The root cause of all destruction is human population increase day by day. And now we discuss how do we affect the ecosystem. Human activity such as agriculture, industry uses natural resources leading to deforestation, overfishing, population. Human activities damage the environment. Natural resources are resources supplied by nature that are used by humans. Air, water, soil, wildlife, and forests are renewable natural resources. They can be replaced in the ecosystem by natural cycles as long as humans do not overuse them. On the other hand, fossil fuels take millions of years to form naturally. They cannot be replaced once they are used. Hence, they are called non-renewable natural resources. Here we discuss about the renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources include air, water, soil, wildlife, and forest. And non-renewable resources are fossil fuels. Human beings are continually using a depleting or reducing the Earth's natural resources and as upsetting the balance of nature in many years. The uncontrolled use of Earth's natural resources such as forest and wildlife has caused lasting damage to the environment. The environment damage is largely irreversible. Human activities must be carefully monitored to preserve and conserve the environment for the future. In this chapter, you will be first learn about the effects some human activities have on the ecosystem. You will then learn how you can make a difference in protecting the earth. So I hope this lecture is very useful for those learners which are slightly weak in the process of learning. Now we will be our in next class. Thank you so much for listening this lecture.